Tonight, I'm going to walk you through making a strawberry cheesecake trifle. I have a gathering tomorrow, so I wanted to make something tonight that could sit and meld and taste yummy and delicious by the time we're ready to eat it. First, I'm going to start by taking a pudding, 3.4 ounces, and we're going to put it in the bowl. And then we're going to add 1 cup of heavy cream. That just allows it to be a little bit thicker and rich and delicious. And I'm going to add 1 cup of milk. And I'm going to whisk that together and let it sit for 5 minutes. I like to heighten the flavor with vanilla. Totally optional, but I think it makes it taste that much better. So this is sat for about 5 minutes, and I'm going to be adding cream cheese to it. Softened cream cheese, of course. Now I'm going to cream this together, the cream cheese and the pudding mixture, just enough to make it all incorporated to each other. So now that it's all incorporated and all smooth together, the cream cheese and the pudding, and I want to stick my finger in it because it looks really yummy, but I won't because you guys are watching. I'm going to take 8 ounces of this. Cool Whip, of course. You guys can see that. And about 8 ounces. I know we have a big, huge one here. So I incorporated 8 ounces in here, and I'm going to be folding it in. So folding it in until it's all mixed together. Just lightly fold it. Look at that. I've been starting to slice it in 1-inch cubes. So I finished the pound cake, and I may have eaten a piece or two. And now we're going to cut the strawberries. We're going to, well, obviously, we're just going to cut the, let's cut that off. Cut them up into small pieces. And here's the strawberries all chopped up. You can slice them if you want to. You can do it that way too, but I personally like them like this, mixed with the goo, because I think it has more places for the goo to stick to. By goo, I mean strawberry glaze. So you can add that actually to your strawberries. And we're gonna just add it until it's coated, which is probably gonna take most of this container. And then we're gonna mix it up. Okay, so I'm back and I'm going to be layering the trifle now. I'm back and I'm all done, and it did not take me very long either. I did the different layers, and at the very top layer I actually put 6 pieces of pound cake, lifted up a little bit higher than the bowl itself, so when I put plastic wrap over it, it won't get wet. And in between these lovely pieces of pound cake, I put dollops of strawberries with the glaze, and a little heart-shaped strawberry in the middle, and it looks like this. It's so beautiful. And I can't wait to share it with everyone. But I might just eat this one myself.
Please like and subscribe so she won't chop me up.